Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What forms can participation take under Section 3, Subsection 5 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023? Actions, words, or any supportive conduct? Only physical actions? Financial support only, or legal advice? The correct answer is option A, actions, words, or any supportive conduct. Recently, in the Vasant alias Girish Akbar Sahab Sanawale and others versus the state of Karnataka case, the Supreme Court clarified the distinction between sections 34 common intention and 149 common object of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Section 34 of IPC corresponds to section 3 subsection 5 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 BNS. As per the section 3, subsection 5 of BNS, the participation can be through any act, gesture, word, conduct, active or passive, that supports the common intention. Next, what does section 187 of BNSS address? Bail procedures, sentencing guidelines, witness protection, investigation timeliness. The correct answer is option D, investigation timeliness. Recently, in the Subelal alias Sushil Sahu versus the state of Chhattisgarh case, the Kerala High Court held that when there is ambiguity in the statute, whether actual or assumed, the ambiguity must be resolved in favor of the accused person since liberty is at stake. Section 187 of BNSS provides for the procedure when the investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours. Next, what does Section 94 of the JJ Act primarily address? Procedures for legal representation, procedures for determining age, procedures for rehabilitation, or procedures for criminal sentencing. The correct answer is option B. Section 94 of the JJ Act states the procedure for determination of age of a person who appears before the committee or board, ensuring consistency and fairness in age determination processes. Next, what aspect of member intentions does Section 190 of BNS disregard? Presence at the scene, knowledge of the law, individual intentions of members, or past criminal record? The correct answer is option C. Section 190 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 deals with common object. It disregards the intention of individual members and concentrates on the common object of the assembly as a whole. Next, which of the following deals with the objections to jurisdiction processing in the Civil Procedure Code? Section 18, Section 20, Section 21, or Section 25? The correct answer is option C, Section 21. Section 21 of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with objections to jurisdiction proceedings. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following deals with the application of the Code of Revenue Codes with Code of Civil Procedure? Section 5, Section 2, Section 3, or Section 4? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.